Alright, so let's talk about a very important feature of Power BI, that is drill through between the tabs. Drill through between the tabs in simple language, it will help us to filter out same values in multiple tabs. So if there are same values in page 1 and we want to see the filter in page 2 as well for the same value, we can use that. So for example, when I click here on Australia in this table, I can see that all these values have been changed on the basis of Australia. But if we want to see these changes in page 2 as well, this is not possible directly. So Power BI has provided very good feature here called drill through between the tabs. So let me show you how it works. So when you if you want, so suppose I have added this country field here, so let's work on country only. So I'll just simply drag this country in the drill through filters. Once it is here, I can use the drill through filter. Important part here to note is you cannot really work only by adding drill through filter in only one page. If you want to drill through from page 1 to page 2, keep a note that you have to add this same field in page 2 as well. Alright, so now both of our pages are having same drill through filter. So now if I select any of these countries, suppose I want to see for Australia, I will right click on it, and when I right click I will see this drill through filter, and when I click on page 2, bam, there we go. It have been already been filtered for Australia. As you can see, this waterfall chart is showing values only for Australia. Here it is for Australia, so it have been filtered only for Australia. If you go down here, you can see the drill through filter have already been checked only to Australia. So I'll clear the filter and I can select it for any other country. So suppose we can choose Spain here, and we'll see the values of Spain. There it is. So that's how drill through filter works. We can add as many drill through filters as we want. Suppose I have chosen countries here. We can filter through product lines and so many more. So now I have to add this product in page 2 as well. There we go. So now if I click on, suppose I want to know about motorcycles, I'll right click on it. I want to drill through on page 2. Now I will see all the sales value of motorcycle in page 2. So this is how it works. As you can see, it has been filtered. Country is USA, product is motorcycles, because that's what we have selected. We have selected country here, USA, and product motorcycle. So whatever we will choose drilling in page 1, we can apply it to page 2 as well. So this comes really very handy when you have suppose 7 or 8 tabs up here and you want to see changes from your page 1 filter to page 8 filter. So you can simply do this. So this is how drill through filter works. I hope that helps, and we'll continue in the next lecture.